As a Splunk user, you want to engage the power of security and observability for your organization. But when it comes to utilizing all of its capabilities and having all the right Splunk tools to maximize success, you don't want to slow down. Well, Splunk Accelerators help you step on the gas at key stages in your journey by clearly defining what to do next, what tools you need, and how to get your whole team up to speed. Our accelerators put you on a faster path, providing expert-led guidance, deployment expertise, technical skill building, tailored enablement resources, and a roadmap to success. Whether you're implementing a new product, optimizing an existing solution, or expanding a use case, there's an accelerator to help you push ahead and advance your Splunk adoption. See how far you can go with Splunk to improve your digital resilience. Go to splunk.com/services to learn more.